All right, last day in June. My combine has been reset as of Saturday. Do I want to trade it? I don't. Um, levels I'm looking for? I don't know. I really can't tell what the hell this market's doing. What do I have this mark? That's the last volume area for price jolted up. We had a strong buy right here. I want to mark it because you know price had a strong buy. I know it's in the day, but it was a strong buy right here. Um, yesterday, not yesterday, well, in the sense yesterday, Friday, right? If we look at Friday, we had a nice strong midday volume that price came back to on strong midday volume on Thursday. The price came back to on Friday, and then from there it just straight bounced. Right. Um, Pretty cool. We have this here, right? I don't know what to make of it. Um, can't really tell you what the heck I'm looking for. I don't know. I wish I did. It's everything is just weird to me. Um, yeah, I don't know why price even bounced off of that area. I don't have any resistance levels. I mean, I do have something like right here on the 30 minute, but all the volumes like right there. So maybe, but that was a straight shot up, and prices dipped into that level without any remorse. It's being cruel as ever. But some strong buying volume right here on the 4 hour. Alright, some strong buying right here at 9. And then price moved up, so maybe that's what it was. But I think, I don't know, maybe just keep my eyes on volumes down here. That's what I'm speculating, because I don't really have much here. There's no volume left down here. When price came to this one, price came down, nicely done. This one is a weird spot. Strong volume here, and we eventually got above it and cleared it. So it's like not much, but this one here we haven't cleared yet. So maybe price will come down to this. All right. And give us the pleasure of seeing price bounce. Maybe come back to settlement, feel that settlement price, and move. Maybe get something like what we have here. All right, aggressive buying into it. Aggressive this here, right? Bam, and then okay, boom, and then look for that buy. We have or look for the absorption. This is a nice absorption. I like this. Boom, and then close. So, but I'll probably be using the 5 minute chart because I don't know what level this is. So let's go to the 5 minute and look at the 5 minute and see what exactly we got from that. All right, so we got nice absorption, and then price closes. So this could have been the entry. This one closed at 6187 right here. So need to see absorption at least, and then bam, price down here. That would have been a nice full king return. So I'm gonna mark this one here. Make it tall so I could see it. And let's mark it as per the chart here. Bam. So let's go back to see that we had this buy. So that's the absorption. Alright, and then we come back down. I could be wrong. It's bananas. Let's highlight the absorption candle. That's good. Bam. Alright, so yeah, so boom, that's the absorption. Price comes back down. Could have bought there at that candle that closes, or this one here. Stop loss right there, and then let it ride 30. Let it ride back up to this right here, so 24 points. Boom. Alright. This is a good area to exit 24 points. We came back to it and we tested. So, but 24 points is good. 24.5 points is good. Wow, it's pretty damn good. Yeah. Yeah, that's pretty damn freaking good. Right? Yeah. So I'm just gonna gonna work on just making this work out. Focusing on these here. So my next setups are there. I want to see price really move away from this for this to even be anything. Like here, price move, right? And then it moved from yesterday, moved up, came back to it, and then, right? So right now we are in an uptrend. I'm not going to do anything to all the other charts because I did all of them yesterday before the market even, last night, I would say. While the market was pre-marketing itself, pre-gaming itself. We're still in the Trump rally, trying to go up to this 6. Let me mark it. This negative 10%. All right, that's the area that we're looking to see price come up to. And then probably a reversal, but that's the goal. So we're still in an uptrend, and I think that's where price can head to. Before doing anything else. Alright, whatever. Alright, before doing anything else. So I think that's where I want to see price go to. Let me hit the week. Yeah, that's here. I want to see price come down to this. I'm gonna knock it down a peg. I could knock it down to 25. Yeah, that feels better. Yeah, so I want to see price come down, go up to this. This is quite a while, but it could still go, which is about 500 points. I can see it happening because it happened before. All right, so anyways, that's that. Price didn't really move much from when I set it up last night. Set up here, price moved a little higher, probably like what, 10 points maybe. All right, about 10 points. So yeah, in Q. All right, they're both trying to, like, roll over here. Well, I would like to see price drop. I'm gonna mark this area here. We probably got the same thing for it for NQ. Let's do that. Yeah, bam, 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 boom. Don't really see much, but there's a lot of volume right around this area, so I'm gonna mark it nonetheless. Alright, so that's where we're looking for price to come down to, and maybe challenge it, break below it, maybe challenge it lower. close. Does VIX have anything similar to this? So 5 ticks. And these are already too damn big for VIX. Let's do 1 tick. Can I even do one? Looks like I can. Alright, so what am I looking at? Yeah, so I don't know. Couldn't tell you. Alright, so maybe this will reverse. And maybe, yeah, maybe. I don't know. Anywho's, put this back to 20 tick the way it was. Put this back to my ES area I'm looking for. Potential rejection area, potential break and retest. That's pretty much it. I don't have much levels on, and we'll see what happens when the market opens. I went over news yesterday, but I'll go over it again today. News wise, none. Tomorrow, Powell speaks. We also have jolts and a lot of news throughout the day. And then this 8:15 news may be important. It's gonna be more important on maybe Thursday, but more likely on next week Friday. That's where that is gonna come out. But usually this comes out Wednesday and then Friday. But Friday the market is closed. It's bank holiday. All right, so market closed. So that's that. All right. So anyways, I'm done. I'll be back later.